We continue reading Ray Bradbury's Sound of Thunder, Part 10. How do we know which animals to shoot? They are marked with red paint, said Travis. Today, before our journey, we sent Lesperance here back with the machine. He came to this particular area and followed certain animals. Studying them? Right, said Lesperance. I tracked them through their entire existence, noting which of them lives longest. Very few. How many times they mate? Not often. Life is short. When I find one that's going to die when a tree falls on him, or one that drowns in a tar pit, I know the exact hour, minute, and second. I shoot a paint bomb. It leaves a red patch on his side. We can't miss it. Then I correlate our arrival in the past so that we meet the monster not more than 2 minutes before he would have died anyway. This way, we kill only animals with no future, that are never going to mate again. You see how careful we are.